Hello everyone, this is Shamim and welcome to Simply Shamim 2.0 YouTube channel. HARO backlink is a very strong and powerful backlink. If you get a HARO backlink for your website, then your website will be posted on Google rank. So HARO backlink is very important for your website. Today I will share how to create a help a reporter out account to take a HARO backlink. So don't skip the video and subscribe my channel to get new video. HARO means help a reporter out. So we search on Google for this. Then we can see at first help a reporter website. Then click on HARO. Then you can see like this interface. This is help a operator out official website. To take a HARO backlink, you have to create an account on this website. You can create an account as a journalist and as a sourcer. We click on sign up. Then you can see like this interface. Now I am give my name, Gmail address, and I am select my country from here. Now I am give a strong password. Then I am keep my phone number and I am give a company name. Now I am click on I am not a robot. Then click on this check mark. Then click on sign up. Today I share how to create a HARO account, but next video I share how to take a backlink from this website, because HARO backlink is a powerful and strong password. If you can get a HARO backlink from this website from journalist, your website will be posted on Google rank. After click on sign up, you can see you have just sent a confirmation email with your login credentials. So check your inbox. So we go our Gmail account. You can see here is a Gmail available from HARO. Now click on this link for confirmation or active your account. You can see here is welcome to family. Now our HARO account are ready. Now we can log in from here. Already automatic login here. So next video I will share how to create a backlink from HARO website. Thanks for watching and stay with us.